Watch out for the second batch of on-cam interview with our grand finalists of Sensational Stars Season 1 here at PS TV Show Online, your one and only fun entertainment show like no other. On YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly known as Twitter.
I'm so thankful po na nakapasok po ako sa ganitong uri ng competitional ng Hong Kong po. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you so much po
pala sali ng competition dito, na yung maraming competition, itong PSTV. And then,
bilib na bilib ako sa sa galing niyang pagkumanta po.
Eh kung iimbitahan ka niya ngayon.
Wag naman, ma'am.
Practice ko talaga yun. Oo, kasi gusto ko talaga yun. Kaso lang hindi ko kaya. Pero sana naman maturuan mo ako, ma'am.
it reminds me of my dad a lot. His voice and his face. Char, a little bit. Parang ganon.
So magsama-sama tayo doon.
This is something you believe. You're one and only. All brought into one entertainment. Show like no other. PSTV, hit that subscribe. PSTV vibes tonight. PEST music, that's right. Entertainment, yeah, it's time. PSTV, try, you know it's going down. Hit that subscribe. Yeah, yeah. We in the city, Hong Kong. Yeah, we rapping. We put Filipinos on. Oh, yeah, yeah. We proud to noise. We about the fun. Music is for everyone. We got that international. This is